What's up, YouTube? Tay Trades. Right now we're gonna recap July 24th trade session. Today is 25th, and I didn't record one for Friday, due to being frustrated in the markets. But we're gonna break down everything that we've seen and what we were anticipating. So the market was in a range at the time. In fact, this is the range I boxed up: current high, current low, and this 4-hour range was another key part of the thing that the market had to make a decision in. I was genuinely looking for the market to spike up to come down. So I had a down bias, but I figured it would break up first, manipulate, then come down. We didn't get no manipulation before the breakout to the downside, which actually threw me for a loop. It made it so that I didn't really feel confident in any trades in this area, hence why I boxed the range. Now, the biggest critique I have on this trade session is the fact that I took two buys. All my trades were buys, actually. All of them counter trend trades because I'm looking for the manipulation, like, to come on down. So I'm not mad at any decision I made with my trades today. I just know there's two trades that I took back to back that was avoidable. So, for example, let's get into this trade here. So the first trade I took was pre-market. The market came down to the 50% of PP and S1, and because I'm still looking for the move up, to manipulate here, ideally compare to come down, I was okay with buying, going counter trend, even though we're in the range. This was the only area that made sense for me to do this. That's the only reason I took the trade. I got wicked out of this trade, so I took a buy, lost. I re-entered the buy and lost again. So let's go to a 1 minute to see it cleaner. So for 1 minute, you can see it here, right? We had a closure. So we got in here for the buy, yeah. So right here, we came below, we pushed up. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let me try getting in now. Stops at the swing low. And I believe I hit the close button right here. So we've got full stop out on this trade. Second trade, we re-entered, buy right here, stopped at the swing low, anticipation that we're gonna push up higher. Didn't get that. We closed stop slightly earlier, still took a loss on this trade. Third trade, we actually finally were saying, okay, we're gonna wait for manipulation at the current low, then potentially look for a buy, pre-low look for a buy, something like that, right? On the 15-minute time frame, the market came down here, wicked the current low, didn't close below the current low. So I was looking for it to V shape and go on up and possibly get the highs to come back down. That's what I was looking for. I wasn't looking for anything big and crazy. I wasn't going to try to target the entire move. I just want to catch some of the move, back to that 15-minute fair value gap, which is right here. That's what I was looking for. The market did not give me that clearly. We got to buy after, and then we got stopped out. So then I thought, oh, maybe try to come a little lower and do it again. So then after that, go to 1 minute. I re-entered the buy. This time, sized down the contract so I could have the stops where I wanted. And the market went up a little bit, then snapped back down, hit me out for a loss. And then I just got immediately heated. So I shut down the charts, journaled, and I just said, I'm not even trying to look at the charts right now, do no recap, none of that. As you can see, the market did come on down. I was looking for this low to get hit, and that's exactly what had happened. So it's like the market made the move without me being able to get into the move. Now I know the opportunities to go and short the market and go for a sell, but for me it just didn't make sense for me to do it because I was still looking for manipulation. So any trades in here was low probability for me, which made me come and think about a new rule I'm gonna add going to this new week, because I took a pretty much a full loss on the day. Max lost 600. I lost about 596, so it's around up $600. What I'll do is if I take any trades within a range or anything like that, that's still decently quality trades for me to want to take. I'm gonna have to go half size. I'm not going full size. All these trades were full size trades, give or take. But I am gonna go half size, back test that's how it goes. And realistically speaking, yeah, I would have only gonna really trade till 11 o'clock anyway. So there's no opportunity for me to have gotten any trades. I think the only trade opportunity I've seen that would have been okay for me after the breakout was a test on the pre-low, back to the downside, and maybe just target this current low, the swing low right here. That would probably be the only ideal thing I could have looked for. But yeah, we didn't get to do that. And honestly, that would have been a phenomenal risk reward right there. I would have enjoyed and appreciated that trade. We got that 4 contracts right there. Boom, bam. Target the swing low, 247. Yeah, it's just good to show that it don't take much to make a lot. So that's why I'm not tripping. I was thinking about changing the rules up and just risk less, but I'm gonna just stay true to the rules. I have one more day of full size risking, so if I have another $600 loss, I will scale down going to Tuesday. And yeah, but that's a recap. That's how everything went. I'm gonna show you the trades itself so we can see them. So this was trade one. Like I said, we were in that range, and I bought it off the 50% of S1 and PP, which did not work out. And as you can see, I was not trying to target here yet. I was gonna just target this as a safe target, reposition, resize, not resize, but reposition myself when markets to PP area, or take out the swing high, something like that, and then take the short. Didn't get the opportunity. That's tough. This is the second trade I re-entered, and like I said, the issues I have is the re-entries. This should not have happened. I should have re-entered on this trade idea. I should have left it alone, wait for more confirmation if I wasn't gonna do that. I really just took the same entry as if it was first trade. Same full size risk. Shouldn't have done that. Third trade, fine. I'm not mad about third trade. It's really the fourth trade. Re-enter the same trade idea. Nothing changed, you know. So P&L down what 596, but I'm not gonna make a habit of showing y'all P&L. I'm just showing y'all just show that I took a big hit on the account today, on this particular day. But that's it. That's all. And I'll do a recap come this Monday or Tuesday. I don't know, but y'all see it.